guys, and welcome back to today's video. I'm a little bit perplexed right now at the moment because I swore I bought this from Sephora, and if it wasn't Sephora it would be Nordstrom's, but now it's not on either website, so I don't know if they stopped carrying this product, but I still googled it and you can find it at other places online, so I'm kind of confused. But I did find it on Sephora's website for Australia, so it's there, but I just don't know why it's not showing up on the ones in the state. But anyways, without further ado, let's go ahead and talk about this interesting, fun, messy mask. It is by, I think it's Blythe, B-L-I-T-H-E. This is a patting water pack. This is the Energy Yellow Citrus and Honey. This is supposed to revitalize, tone, deep cleanse, and moisturize your skin. And I have used this, I think, 3 times now, and it's fun. It smells amazing. It smells very honey and citrusy, but it has like a medicinal type of scent to it. It's not like a perfumey fragrance of citrus and honey. It smells more medicinal, which I really enjoy. It kind of smells like a Ricola, like honey and lemon cough drop, if that makes any sense. But it has this little tab here that I'm not going to pull off, but you would uncork it and then you pour a capful, you can, into the cap, and then you're going to fill like your sink or your bowl with, like, I would say water about this deep, and then you dump the mask in the capful, swirl it around, and then you're just going to splash your face. It says to splash it for 15 to 30 seconds. I just continue to splash until I feel like I don't want to splash anymore. And you think you're doing something really wrong because you're diluting the mask, which I've never had a mask that I had to dilute, so that's weird. And then you're just splashing it like water onto your face. And then once you're done with your splashing, you kind of like pat it into your skin. And when I used it the first time, I thought, you're doing this wrong. What the heck are you doing? Like, this doesn't make any sense. Like, I should be putting this on a cotton swab and rubbing it on my face. Like, it just seemed wrong to me. I felt like I was doing it wrong. But my face felt so freaking soft after I used it. It felt like hydrated. It felt like plumped, and it felt so soft. And with this being an extremely concentrated mask, even with splashing it, it didn't burn my eyes, it didn't hurt at all. Like, it was very soothing. So the next time I did it, I poured half a capful. Well, I got in the shower and I was facing the shower, so the shower's coming this way, it's hitting on my chest. I poured half a capful into my hand and I splashed it on my face, and then I started splashing water onto my face. That felt even more wrong because it was like and then just water. It felt wrong, but it felt the same way. It felt very hydrated, it felt very plumped and very soft. My particular method, the way I like to use it, I like to put it in the sink and splash, because I feel like I'm getting more of it the more I splash. Where in the shower I feel like it's just like punk, and then I'm rinsing it off, where with it in a bowl or in the sink, I'm repetitively splashing the mask onto my face. This is really cool. I don't know why I can't find it on our Sephora or a Nordstrom, so I'm kind of like, should I even post this video? But I think I'm still going to, because it is a very cool mask. A little goes a long way. Like, I've used it 3 times. You're using a capful, and the cap is about the size of your knuckle here, about that deep. So a little, like, this is going to last you a very long time. I've also read that people will put it in their baths. They also have a green one that's more like gentle and moisturizing, because this one also exfoliates, it says. Deep cleansing, moisturize, balance, and lifting. But people will add it to their baths, so then your body is getting that mask as well, which is really cool if you think about it. Like, how often do you give your body like a mask treatment? You don't. You might do a hand mask or a foot mask, but your entire body doesn't get to get a mask. And then we always neglect to do our neck and our chest with our mask. So if you're adding this to your bath water, even if it's just the purpose of getting in the bath, because I personally hate taking baths, like, ugh, grosses me out. But I probably will put this in the bath water and just sit in it so my body can get some of this yummy goodness and then just get out. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. But just a little bit about this product, since I totally jumped in not normally the way I do this. It's enriched with 60% of natural lemon and honey extracts. The vitamin C rich formula aids in illuminating the complexion as well as gently exfoliating the skin. Let's see, it's pretty much all it tells us in the overview and about the product. Body parts face, it's for dry skin and for combination skin, and yeah, it has really good reviews. I like I said, I don't know why we don't have it on our Sephora or at Nordstrom's any longer, but I will link a couple links where you can get it. It's cost wise, it's about normal when you think of a mask that you would get from Sephora. I really recommend this, and I'm really excited to use this as we get in more into the fall and the winter months where my skin gets more dry, especially for adding this into bath water that I can just sit into and let my body get a mask and then hop right back out. So yes, highly recommend this. Very enjoyable, but keep in mind you're gonna feel like you're doing it wrong. You're not. It's very awkward, it's gonna be very messy, but I think you'll be pleasantly surprised with the results of this particular mask. I can't speak to the other green one that I saw, but this one is amazing and I highly recommend this one. So that is it for today's videos, guys. I will see you in the next one. Bye.